This Supreme Court proceeding has been very important, no matter what is going to be the verdict. But frankly speaking, Jana Chikzai Sahib would not agree with me. There have been huge contradictions of PMLN stance. One son of the Prime Minister is saying something else, the daughter is saying something else, another son is saying altogether different picture. We're getting proof from Qatari Prince, and then Prime Minister is saying altogether different things in the Parliament. Now, let's forget about the legal case. Let's forget about what kind of public perception it is going to build up. The public perception certainly is going to go in a way that somewhere something is seriously wrong. And I think the opposition parties, particularly PTI, has managed to propagate that. If you talk to the common people, they probably would have forgotten of what the PTI did. We know PTI has been handling political issues in an immature manner. But nonetheless, let me conclude. Yeah. Nonetheless, somehow or the other, we are thinking, pointing out the U-turns, which makes a lot of sense. But probably common people who are not very literate.
I'm glad that you're talking about the common man.
They would not buy our assessment.
And an example actually is there, right from India to the US, where no matter whatever is said about a leader, that doesn't matter. What matters is their promise of creation of jobs. And this is the part that neither People's Party nor PTI get. 2018 elections are going to be about job creation, and they are going to be about relief. At this moment, I see one party that is creating jobs, whether it is in infrastructure, whether any way possible, contracts, business and everything. The other two are sitting on television laughing at it. And this is my concern. Most of these opposition parties are not getting development agenda.
If PMLN wins, which the chances of which are quite high in this situation,
I'm not for any one-party system.
That doesn't mean that there's going to be one-party system. You see, still we need to wait for the Supreme Court verdict. The way PMLN has conducted itself in the Supreme Court.
At worst, it can damage only one man, the head of the party, right? There are other people in the party. If the party is a reality, this is the point one has to understand.
We are talking of possibilities. Just last point. In case PTI wins Supreme Court legal battle, PTI would win the next election.